So we'll discuss about a common error that you may face while connecting to your MongoDB. So let's see this. Let's try to connect MongoDB to default port 27017. We'll see that MongoDB is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is happening because you may have MongoDB installed in your system, but it is not linked to your environmental path. So the easy fix is just add the MongoDB bin folder location in your environment path. Okay, so let's do that. You have to go to local disk C, and then in program files, MongoDB server bin, and you just copy this link. Okay, then you type here environ, this one, edit the system environment variables, and here you go to this one, environment variables, then go to this path, then just paste it here, save it. Okay, okay, that's it. Now if you go and try to connect again, you'll see your problem is resolved. Okay, so that's the solution.